R&R Renaissance of Self-Romantic Intelligence, written by TheaMWC Clark. Rest and relaxation, restore and reserve, respect and reciprocate, revisions and remastering, retreats and recreations. Captain's Log, Saturday, July 24th, 2021. It's just after 5 p.m., and I can't help wondering what you're doing at this very moment. I've never wished so much to see your smile, hear your laughter, and feel your slightly warm palms at the base of my spine as we sway to the rhythm, to the beat of our bliss. Dancing with you confirms the notions of love without conditions. Because of you, I seek to know me better with every passing day. Our energy exchange begs me to be a different, diligent, and more daring individual. Thank you for such an agreeable timeline. Romance is always better when dancing is involved. The intrapreneur and the imagineer. Oh, how well we fit this purifying description. I am in awe of you. Your natural curiosities to comprehend a world that's far removed from colonial common senses. Magical. You dare to speak in terms of trial and error without assigning any blame or shame. That is sheer magic to me. You always leave room in the conversation for natural contemplation. And you refuse to get boxed into defining this three-dimensional experience in terms of right or wrong, good or evil. Knowing full well the presence of historical false narratives and the conclaves of hidden agendas are always afoot. On your own time, you choose to enrich your powers to define, discover, and design. You know full well that there are multi-purposes for many people, places, and things. So you're never rushed when it's time to define. Your confidence includes asking what this or that means while actively engaging the context of the communion. You know that I am this to you, but can be the complete opposite to someone else. Perspective is primal. Magic recognizes magical.